AntiGravity A1 arrived on my doorstep, my first thought was why a drone that weighs less than 250 grams, the magic number that lets you fly it without a license in most countries, needed such a big box. Turns out it's because the Insta360 Spin-off's debut aerial effort has supplied everything you need to get airborne, plus a bunch more besides. There's no question anti-gravity is here to muscle in on what's traditionally been DJI territory. The way you can reframe the A1's 360-degree field of view should make it an ideal beginner camera drone, but the near $1,600 asking price says otherwise. The top-tier Infinity bundle climbs even higher to roughly $2,000, £1,500 or €1,700. Can it possibly do aerial photography better than its more established rival at the first time of asking? Beyond the drone itself, even the basic kit comes with a pair of vision goggles and a grip controller. The more comprehensive bundle tested here also included a battery charger, enough extra batteries for over an hour of flight time, and a shoulder bag to lug it all around in. This drone can't be flown solo using your smartphone, so you'll want to pay attention to the instructions shown in the vision goggles before your first flight. Basic movement is easy enough, with a trigger for the throttle, a slider to adjust height, and a jog wheel for rotating the drone. But the grip controller has a unique button layout that'll take some time to consign to your muscle memory. It took me a few flights to fully get the hang of it. Huge amount of drone flight time, but I found the motion-based flight controls brilliantly intuitive. It's not as twitch reactive as a twin-stick controller would be, even in sport mode, but I don't mind that as much because it's not meant to be an FPV stunt drone. I've been blown away by the footage I've been able to get out of the A1. It's not because I'm an expert pilot, fantastic aerial cameraman, or particularly good video editor, or that the 360-degree videos it records let you pick different angles post-flight in any aspect ratio without losing quality. Very effective stabilisation also in the mix, missing a shot has essentially proved impossible. The fancier flight modes like orbits and flyaways are almost fully automatic, and there's plenty to choose from. Flight time maxes out at around 24 minutes per battery on the calmest of days. That's less than some of DJI's higher-end drones, but because each recorded clip can be exported at multiple angles, I'm needing less flight time to get the shots I want. Obstacle detection was quick to recognise approaching foliage, and the GPS-powered return to home mode was spot on every time. The wireless transmission range is kilometres further than I'd want to fly while still keeping visual sight of the drone. An undeniably expensive bit of kit, but the AntiGravity A1 is a cinch to fly, and the unique 360-degree video capture makes it easier still to create dramatic, dynamic content. There's still a learning curve, with the grip controller's button layout being a bit of a stumble for me at first, but the vision goggles are polished and the drone handles challenging conditions very well indeed. Simply put, DJI doesn't have the drone market to itself anymore. If you like this sort of short-form content, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and if you want to read the full review, head to stuff.tv.